Jasmine is going to be pushing towards higher targets, and in this video I'm going to be explaining you why I think that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmine coin once again. I'm going to be showing you some important support and resistance level which I believe that if Jasmine pushes through, we should be seeing a huge rally towards the upside. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, My Trade Signal Group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to My Trade Signal Group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmine, and you might be able to see that I have zoomed out of the chart to show you the longer picture, or say the larger picture within the Jasmine project. Now I know for my last couple of videos I have been covering these recent movements regarding Jasmine's price, which only basically tells us what the most likely moves are gonna be in just 1 month or about 2 months. However guys, in this video I'm gonna be covering the price targets which I believe Jasmine can be getting to in the next 3 to 4 months. Now I personally believe that is the amount of time which everybody who has invested into Jasmine basically wants to hold it for, and that is why it makes the best sense to make these kinds of videos. So guys, the most important support level for Jasmine to hold is this blue line right over here. Now guys, you will be able to see that this is where we hit the absolute rock bottom for Jasmine at a price of about 0.0027. Now guys, only if we drop below this support area, which I personally believe is highly unlikely, we should be expecting another new low for Jasmine, and at that moment of time I can practically say that Jasmine is good for nothing, because if it even drops lower than the current price points, then I mean the project is already down by roughly 99.9%. I know a lot of people don't really like to hear that term, but yes, the project is down by 99.9%, and if it keeps on going down, there is no point in investing into a dead project. However guys, Jasmine has been showing constant signs of improvement, and that was the major reason why a lot of us decided to invest into the project in the first place. Now guys, the important support areas for Jasmine, or say the important resistance level for Jasmine to break, is first of all this blue line right over here. Now guys, in my last videos I had mentioned to you all that this was the wave 1 high right over here and right over here as well. However guys, you will be able to see that if we go back in time, this was one of the key areas which was providing some massive support for Jasmine. It provided support once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, until we finally broke out of this and went into this downward sloping trend line. I personally believe if Jasmine is able to breach past this blue line, we should be good to go, and we should be expecting a huge rally towards the upside for Jasmine. Now the second most important support level, or say resistance level for Jasmine to break, is this blue line right over here. Now as you can see that this was acting as a resistance level right over here as well. We basically tried to break above this once, twice. However, we are not really able to break it, and this formed double top pattern, which was one of the reasons why we saw a decline in the price of the project. Now, if we calculate how much gains which we need in order to break through these levels, you will be able to see that the first blue line is just far from about 70% gain. Now, I personally think that this amount of move is really possible for Jasmine for the shorter time frames, and we should be getting to these price targets really soon. The second price target to break is this price level right over here at a price of about 0.0012. I personally believe this is also achievable, since it's also a 157% move from the current price points. Now guys, in total I believe that Jasmine is a really good project to invest in. A lot of people think that Jasmine is dead, but I just like to DC into the project because I like it really much. If I show you all the MACD indicator, you will be able to see that the buying pressure has started to come. The RSI has been flipping towards the upwards, which is really good news as well. As you can see, the selling pressure was getting lower and lower every single day, and right now we have shifted from selling pressure to getting some sort of buying pressure, which is really good. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure guys check out my Trade Signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, my Trade Signal group is $30 per month, but let me show you what we do inside my Trade Signal group and why so many of you all have already joined it. So guys, before I show you all the results, I just want to tell you that right now only about 2 or 3 spots are remaining within my Trade Signal group. So if you guys want to be one of the lucky ones to get inside of my group, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. My Trade Signal group is $30 per month, but as I'll show you all the results, you will be able to see that $30 is just pennies in exchange of the value you guys will be receiving in this group. Right over here, you can see that we recently secured profits of 96% on just one single trade. If I scroll above, you will be able to see that we have been locking profits left and right. Right over here, you can see profits of 166%, profits of 356%, profits of 129%, profits of 117%, and the list goes on and on and on. Right over here, you will also be able to see that we recently took a trade and we got a profit of about 1500% on just one single trade alone. So let's say you had started with about $100 and you had taken this trade, you would have turned your $100 into about $1,500 with just one single trade in just a matter of few days. Now this is really amazing and something which my Trade Signal group is able to achieve every single month. And that is why a lot of people have been joining in, and that is one of the reasons why I have decided to limit the amount of members who can join my Trade Signal group. Now guys, apart from the trade signals, I also post technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto space and who are serious about making money within the space as well. I personally believe if you are just starting out or if you are just an intermediate trader, my Trade Signal group can be the starting point for your trading journey and can basically give you all the tools and all the research and all the signals which you guys ever need in order to make some serious amounts of money. So if you guys want to join up, you already know the link to it will be down in the description. And yeah guys, that's gonna be very much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.